especially to you, Sir James. Now I will continue the report about the rights to basic needs, which is education, sanitation, and social security. Education. The right to basic education enabling individuals to develop skills, knowledge, and opportunities. Ito yung education, kasama to siya sa basic needs. Kasi needs naman to siya. Yun to enabling individuals para ma-develop yung mga skills nila, knowledge, at saka mga opportunities. And then yung sanitation, access to clean and hygienic facilities, including toilets and waste disposal system. Kasama din to yung sanitation sa basic needs. Kasi sanitation, para to access to clean and hygienic facilities. Yun na sa mga sa mga toilets, mga waste disposal systems. Yung social security, systems of support for those who cannot provide for themselves, including the elderly, disabled, and unemployed. Yun na yung social system. Ito yung social security. Ito yung systems na nakasuporta sa mga tao na hindi nila ma-provide yung mga needs nila para for themselves, including na dito yung mga mga elderly, yung mga matatanda, yung mga disabled, yung mga PWD, yung mga may kapansanan, and unemployed person.